first thing in the morning, otherwise you got no chance of getting them. So are they new toilets, are they? Oh, they are too. Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're on Patong Beach, going for a walk just along the promenade here, see what's happening. Welcome to the channel everyone, especially if you're new here. Thanks for joining in on this walk. I basically do vlogs all around Thailand of just walking areas. Have a little chat along the way. Hope you enjoy it. And welcome to my viewers that normally watch. Appreciate everything you do. Thanks. So I'd say it's probably about 30 degrees. It's blue skies, a little bit of cloud around, not a lot, a little bit. It's not too bad. There's no real breeze at all that I can see. So it's a perfect day for the beach. Hello. Perfect day for the beach. See if there's anybody else around. People getting massages along the beach. Jeez, you can't get better than that, can you? 500 baht, 300 baht, average prices. I suppose it's on the beach. I personally don't get massages on the beach because I don't like the sand and shit, man, going in between your cracks and stuff. Stuff that. Rather go to air condition. So we're just outside the Chino Yard on that side. So if anyone's ever been to Patong, they know whereabouts I am. A few people out and about. Plenty of people on the beach. Plenty of people on the beach. All hiring their beach umbrellas. Now I don't know how much they cost here. I'm guessing they're more than what they were in Hua Hin and all that. Probably 200 or 300 baht for the day maybe. Get fresh coconuts there. Beautiful, mate. Bit of backfire. Just going past the Ban Lamai Hotel. Look at that, just stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Look at that for a view. Phuket, baby. Just amazing. Water looks pretty good today. Not too choppy, nice colour. We've had some pretty good weather here lately. The last 6 or 7 days have just been nice, sunny, beautiful weather. It is peak season, mind you, so it should be good weather. Guys, let me know in the comments if you've been here before, Patong Beach, or how long it's been since you've actually been here, because a lot has changed in Patong, that's for sure. It's the Ban Lamai Hotel. Expensive joint that now. When that first opened, first year or two, man, that was cheap as chips, prime location. Now, God, roughly 400 a room. And that's for the crappiest room there. So I don't stay there anymore. And there's the main ship out there in the harbour. Don't know if you can see that, the umbrellas are in the way. Oh yeah, now you can see it. Out there in the distance, dropping off all the tourists. Plenty of shade here along Patong Beach too, under the trees and that. If you don't want to get an umbrella, you can get the actual trees and camp out under there for the rest of the day. But you got to be quick because they go quick. Got to get here first thing in the morning for those. First thing in the morning, otherwise you got no chance of getting them. Prime real estate. So we're just outside the DoubleTree by Hilton now, the hotel. Never stayed there. The reviews say it's good. Can't really afford that though. Plenty of people along the street here, trying to cross the road. Excellent beach, Patong Beach. There are better ones, but it's not bad. It does get packed in peak season though, obviously. No, nothing much you can do about that. Are they new toilets, are they? Oh, they are too. New toilets getting built. That's handy. Looking better. As I said, Phuket is changing in regards to us getting so modernised now. Anything in the Western world you get. I mean, you used to be able to, but it's just getting so modernised. All the old buildings are coming down, all the new ones getting built left, right and centre, which is good. Don't mind that. Has to be done, I suppose. Happens everywhere in the world, but it's pretty hard to beat the old Thailand, I suppose, the original days, where not a lot of people knew about it and didn't come, and it's just a great escape. I still love it now though. Just wish there was less people. But you can't have everything. More massage tables over there, Sweaty Cup. Going past Banana Walk over there. Starbucks coffee. Never paying $10 for a coffee. Rather support the locals, mate. Beautiful spot there. There's Patong Beach. Oh, see all these new signs up? You see that? What's that? Patong Beach, had dip, red flags, yellow flags. Oh yeah, look, actually telling you what you should do and where you should swim. No fireworks of any kind. Mate, I see fireworks going off here every night. Anyway. Let's continue. Happy Bar on the right there. Nothing like a beautiful beach with palm trees Blue skies, plenty of people around in good weather, and beers, and Thai food. Pad Kapow, that'd be nice. Right now I'm actually pretty hungry. Might have to get one after this. Methinks. No, thank you. Alright, jet skis, mango smoothies, double 100 baht for oh god, I just got one for 50 baht. Beach prices, I suppose. It's just how it is. Beautiful beach. Look at that. Just amazing. There's that ship I was talking about earlier. I think you can see that in the distance. The guys there on the swinging around on the rope there. Beautiful. Jet skis are out. Oh, there's one or two out. We're all on the sand still. Right, let's continue. Just glorious. Patong Beach people, make sure you get here. Alright guys, well I might leave that here. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.